trains anymore. Today we are going to be just taking the stuff off of the trains, the Easter stuff off of the trains, and taking the Easter stuff off of the out of the troublesome trucks in my Bachman. And make sure to like, subscribe, and ring that little bell icon. Now let's start by taking the Easter stuff out of the holiday car first. Actually, let's start with taking. Oh, sorry. Did that bump the camera?
Yeah, but it's okay.
Are you still filming?
I am.
He's just the ears are gonna just go off just like. How does this?
You really had it taped up good.
Yeah. Yeah, and I forgot I had some of that through the middle. Yeah. Holy cow.
You gonna need scissors?
Yeah, I need scissors.
You've got some green scissors in your playroom and where your art stuff
I
is.
got it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So hard to take off the little trim.
I accidentally reversed.
What busted on you?
Yeah, just for a second.
Okay, and are you still filming?
Uh-huh.
Okay. I think I'm gonna need some more. I'm gonna go.
I think he looks pretty
the
good,
tape.
buddy. You don't want too much tape.
I'm not. I'm gonna be right back in just a little. Oh.
Hey, okay. You,
I just wanna go. I forgot. Oh no, Mary, where is it?
where's what? Tape?
Yeah, I was just getting it.
Did you find it?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Take the tippies.
You know what else we probably should do is go get one of your Easter baskets out of the attic to put all this stuff in.
Yeah. And now these Easter eggs are gonna go right there. And I'm gonna
And let,
put these guys.
let's go in the attic and get a basket to put all this in. Or just want to do that after you film?
After I finish.
Okay. You can do that.
Yeah, let's do it. Like after I'm finished. I think in that construction hat. And then I've got like 2 things, actually 3 things that fell down in my big layout. There and there. Are you still filming?
Mm-hmm.
How many minutes has it been?
4.
There. And
Don't until you say stop. Gotta take all the eggs.
yes. Okay.
Well, they just kind of came out in one big chunk.
Yeah, they do. Okay. Okay. And here was a better glance at this golden egg.
Oh yeah, I forgot you had a small one.
I have 2 golden eggs.
Oh, a big one and a small one.
Last but not least, the hair.
Yeah.
And then he's gonna cut the little back up like that.
I got it. We need the blocks.
Yeah, I'll go get them. They are just. Oh, how did that fall down?
Where are the blocks?
They are just
Ah.
right over here. Right here. And then these guys are gonna go. And then last but not least, let's try to get this video to 700 views.
That would be fantastic.
Let's try to get that video to them.
Don't forget Pixar. Toy Story has Easter on it.
Yeah. Yes. He's gonna have to back up. Forward a little.
Oh, 4. I'm gonna pick up some of this tape.
There. And I'm going to take the
Can you reach the tail?
big thumbnail.
Oh.
Okay.
There's the big egg hiding in the tunnel.
This is the thumbnail.
That would be a good one.
That's the thumbnail.
All right.
And then this is going to go right there.
Okay.
And then this little.
I think you had it taped a little bit.
Yeah, I did. Okay. And then like, how many minutes has it been? 7. Ooh, a little.
I
There.
think he's off track slightly before you run it.
Oh yeah. And then
The nose.
This guy. I'm just trying to like get him. Oh no. Oh, this is some sticky. Oh no.
What happened? You need scissors again? Oh, ouch.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
That's okay.
I just had to like get like somebody just had taken like the tape had gone like into where the batteries were.
Oh no.
And then this guy. Get back on the track, car. Do you like the train content? Let me know if I should make more of that. And the ears came off.
Here, bring the ears out here so we can put it all away.
And then there. Now let's go take the stuff out of the Bachman. And how many minutes has it been?
8. Oh, 9.
Okay. Hello, Bachman.
Oh, I thought you were going to leave the eggs.
Yeah.
So what are we going to take out?
You'll see.
You can put them in this Easter bag.
Yeah. I'm gonna leave that up and just these guys.
Oh, okay.
Oh no.
Uh-oh. That's okay.
Pause off track. Oh no.
Oh, dear.
That and by the way, you do have to like slam the cars against each other to like hook them up.
Do you want to put them in here? In the Easter bag?
Yeah, I
For
cannot.
next year?
It's not letting. I cannot. I am not able to take the get the cars on track. So I'm just gonna have to like back them up.
Oh, okay. Oh, because they're hard to reach them right there. What about the ring?
Oh yeah.
You want that to stay or put it in the bag? It's a peep ring.
Okay. I just have to drag it.
Oh, I see. Annie and Clarabelle are off track.
Yeah. These Bachmans are just supposed to get off track a lot. That's one bad thing about them.
Yeah, they're finicky.
How come just the way Bachman makes them, they get off track a lot?
Mm-hmm. They do.
Comment in the comments down below if you have like Bachman things, like HOs. We want to know and see if they get off track a lot. Now what's one on?
Is the main switch turned on underneath the table?
Oh,
The main power switch.
it's not.
Ah, there's what it needed.
How many minutes has it been?
12.
Thumbnail! YouTube!
I don't know how that works.
I just really want to thumbnail! This might be the thumbnail.
That would be silly. I like it.
Yeah. Silly thumbnail!
Hey, we go see Real Thomas and Percy next Sunday.
Oh yeah, and let's try to get that video to 8,000 views.
Oh my. That would be awesome.
Please watch it like at least twice. I'm gonna leave that go. I'm gonna slap that.
Are you done?
I'm gonna let that go on slow.
What are we doing?
I'm gonna go do my thing.
Oh, okay.
Follow me.
Hey, you can start down there. Hey, Tiger.
Yeah.
Oh, no, Tiger. He's a good boy. Your form on your count. Begin. Oh, hey, Tiger. Hey, buddy. Almost ran out of room.